Finding the sum of the interior angle measure of a convex polygon given the number of sides. All right, that was a nice long title there. So it literally says, find the sum of the interior angle measure of a convex 11-gon, which is an 11-sided polygon. So first we need to know how to find the sum. So there's an equation here. So they actually give us that equation right here. This is the equation we're going to use each and every time. So S equals 180 times n minus 2. N is specifically meaning the number of sides. So we just say, well, what's the number of sides they gave us? We plug it in. So they put 11 in here instead of n. We have 11 minus 2 gets us 9 times 180. That's 1,620. So that's our answer. All of the angles of this 11-sided polygon have to add up to 1,620. So that's all we're going to do on the next page. The main thing is, if you're not taking notes yet, make sure you're taking notes. We want to write down the equation, and we want to write down that is how to find the interior angle sum of a polygon. And you might also specifically want to note that n is the number of sides. So don't just write this equation down with no notes, because that's not going to mean anything to you. Make sure you write this down. Write down what it is. It's how to find the interior angle sum of a polygon, and n is the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, so make sure you're giving yourself enough notes so that you can continue on to the next page after we click start here. Go ahead and click start. All right, so we have find the sum of the interior angle measure of a convex 18-gon or 18-sided polygon. So I have S equals 180 times n minus 2. So I have S equals 180 times, sorry, that's 8. N is the number of sides, so that's 18 minus 2. So I have 180 equals 16. I just do 18 minus 2, and then I want to multiply. So they're not giving you a calculator here. Can you use a calculator? Sure. Is it easy enough to just go through and multiply? Of course. And I'm too. Should we be able to do this? Yes. So we get, sorry, I got 0 for this one. 48. Carried the 4, brought the 8 down. Now I have 6 plus 4 is 10. And then I'm going to do this one. So remember, I'm hoping we remember at this point. So we put our little x, or we just don't put anything there at all. And we have 0, and we have 8, we have 1. So we have 0, 8, 8, 2. We have 2,880. So this is what we should get here. 8, 8, 0. Check. All right, we're good to go. I'm going to clear those and go next. All right, so we have S equals 180 times n minus 2. I'm just rewriting this equation. And remember, n is the number of sides. So 180 times 15 minus 2. 180 times 15 minus 2 is 13. And then I'm just going to write it off to the side here. Times, so we have 0. We have 24. 3, 4, 5. And then I have 0, 8, 1. So I just add straight down and I get 2,340. 2,340. And check. Yay. All right, one more. So let's see. I'm going to just change a little bit here. Just going to be a little bit lazy here instead of rewriting the whole thing. So this one, it's talking about an octagon. And they're being nice enough. They're telling you what octagon means. An octagon is an 8-sided figure. So we're going to put 8 in here. And then 8 minus 2 is 6. So then I have 180 times 6, and I get 0, 48. 6 plus 4 is 10. All right. So hopefully this one wasn't too bad. It's just about plugging something into the n. And just remember, n in this equation always means number of sides. Check. And we're done with another one. Yay.